We are a group of students from Goodhope School who have a concept of creating a smart highway monitoring and nuisance reduction system that can minimize the effects of climate change and air pollution.
We see the wasted potential in noise barriers. The long, huge wall of insulating composites and soundproof materials can be used for multiple other purposes that facilitate a greater efficiency that utilizes power harnessed from the environment surrounding it instead of solely serving one purpose.
When cars travel by, they tend to produce a lot of noise from their tires and engines, which can be a nuisance to the citizens living nearby.
It's a mixed-type noise barrier, which absorptive and reflective materials such as polycarbonate, plastics, and insulating vegetation are used.
The vegetation with soundproofing properties, which are bamboos and several other types of greenery, is planted onto the barriers to absorb the heat and carbon emissions from the engines of the vehicles and reduce air pollution. This is something to be considered to reduce the after effects of global warming.
A smart drip irrigation system is installed to ensure sufficient irrigation. Water from nearby slopes, streams, and even residential buildings are stored in the tank below the highway. The water pump for the drip irrigating system will operate according to the moisture level of the soil.
Streetlights can be integrated into the noise partition design. Badly shielded lights along the expressway cause light pollution. A lighting system is installed on the noise barriers that provides more concentrated lighting and reduces light pollution. Moreover, some brightness sensors are installed on the noise barrier. Lights will be switched on when sky darkens in the absence of natural lighting. It provides better lighting under extreme weather and reduces excessive or misdirected lighting.
Noise barrier, renewable energy can be generated and make our smart highway monitoring and nuisance reduction system more sustainable.
Apart from the PV system, piezoelectric crystals are installed on the expressway. Vibrations from moving vehicles can help generate power for the LEDs on the road. It provides clean energy to the drip irrigation system, water resources management system, instant warning signals display system, and the highway monitoring devices. The PV system can also help reduce heat absorption by harnessing solar power from natural heat energy.
It is difficult for the drivers to see the traffic signs clearly, especially on a cloudy or foggy day. We installed a signals display system on the road using LEDs. It allows the driver to read the signs more clearly under extreme weather. Special warning signals can also be shown on the road, which allows drivers to see the signals clearly when the visibility is low, so as to alert the driver to the possible dangers.
Apart from displaying the signals using LEDs on the road, we have also developed a mobile app for the road users. Warning messages will be displayed when necessary. The road users can also various information, including the weather conditions using the data collected from the sensors on the noise barrier, and instant camera view of the traffic condition.
Public awareness to the importance of combating climate change. It is urgent that Hong Kong recognizes the risks of climate change and puts into place both mitigation and adaptation measures now.
Early anticipatory adaptation will be more effective and less costly than retrospective.